Here's a clever trick for mounting a Chevy engine to an engine stand. So we're all accustomed to the regular sort of 4-ear mounting adapter on an engine stand, and you're swinging the arms around trying to find the right length bolt, and you either get just a couple threads engaged and hope that it's okay, or you have way too long of a bolt and you put a stack of flat washers underneath. This is a Speedway Motors mount adapter plate, and these things are super slick, and this is the way we like to do it when we're working with a Chevy engine. Small block, big block, LS, LT, you name it, it's got the right bolt pattern for both. And this just bolts right up to your motor mount head, and then there's spacers to clear flywheel or flex plate or whatever. And the really cool thing about this is it has holes in it so that your spare fasteners, if you're working on a LS, your small block Chevy 3/8 fasteners that are the right length are just threaded right into the plate, and then vice versa, if you're working on an old school Chevy, your LS, LT metric fasteners are threaded right into the plate. So this is a super slick way to do it, and this is the way we like to do it whenever we can.